Hello and welcome to Saving Miller. Well, it's that time of the year. Apparently, somewhere underneath this jungle in the desert are some sweet potatoes. So let's see if we can find them. What's going on?
These worked really well. The whole idea of being able to harvest out of here would have worked until the thing got so jam-packed full that I need someone strong to dump it upside down. I can't get them out. That one is really packed full, and I have two more. And then I have plants tucked in all over the place. So I think they're ready to harvest.
I would think so.
They're looking good.
How about if we get a tarp and we'll dump them on the tarp?
Sure, that sounds good.
So this summer we were pretty busy, so the garden got kind of neglected, but these sweet potatoes took over the whole thing. They even grew up over the top there. And the tomatoes grew pretty well too, because the sweet potatoes protected them somewhat, but they didn't really produce the last couple months. But now they're starting to bloom again, so I think we'll have another batch of tomatoes. The peppers, on the other hand, have just continued. I mean, these things are prolific. These are now over a year old. They've literally gone through an entire winter, entering their second winter. They're basically small trees. We've got some tasty ones there. Some of them seeded themselves. We planted the ones over here. But these things are just, yeah, you grow the right thing. Looks like we might have a carrot there too. Alright, let's get these sweet potatoes out of here and see what we got.
This is interesting. This one is all small. I don't understand. It's like they haven't grown yet. It has vines everywhere. Still have one attached. Window, but trying to break some loose out there. We can break it.
Kind of overextended today.
Properly and put it in the, lay them out in the, to dry out at 80 degrees. It'll heal the ends. The goal is to not do it.
They're too big.
Still not. I'm gonna do it in the bags again. I never harvested throughout like it says you do. There we go. Whoa!
Champions. Take that, Alaska.
Alaska has to do with it.
Alright, you want these other bags out?
Well, go. You want it? It's like your gun. Wondering why there's no sweet potatoes in this one, and I'm digging underneath, and all of a sudden my hand plunges down into a giant gopher hole. So he has been having a delicious breakfast, lunch, dinner. Huge gopher hole. Yeah, you think there's a gopher in there looking at you?
No, I think that's just broken. We had to break it and get it out of the bag. I think out of this tiny garden, you're going to have a whole wagon load of sweet potatoes.
Let's go get some more.
Look at what the gopher did. You see his teeth marks? Are you alright? Did you get dirt?
This one.
Here. Please don't throw them.
Something's stuck in my throat.
Oh, we harvested them already.
Okay, so here is the pile of sweet potatoes that came out of our little garden. Essentially, that bag was completely full.
Oh, a frog. A toad. I'm sick of it.
Where is it?
Back in the corner.
So unfortunately, all this cover made so toads can really live and thrive back in there. So we got this side cleaned out. We had 2 sweet potato plants there, 1 or 2 here where the gopher was eating them, and they had pretty much covered this side. It was just completely covered. There's the pile that we pulled out of there. Some of that came from that side, but now we actually have a chance to replant something in here for the fall. And these tomatoes hopefully will be able to grow and produce now. They were kind of buried underneath.
Hop, hop.
Little man. I can't see it.
Oh, it's really tucked in. He's not as scared, which is good.
So, still more progress to make there, but there's a start for getting you ready for the fall. So that's what you can do with a garden, even in the desert. Saving Miller out.